Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
That's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jaydajonet and I am back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful wig that I got from Wiggins Hair company. They never failed to amaze me. This wig was bomb. So starting out with my bob cap already on, y'all, because I struggled to put it on because I had these fat braids in my head. So do not pay that no attention. I had already cut it and applied makeup, and then I just cleaned the perimeter with alcohol. Can we get into this pre-bleached, pre-plucked wig, y'all? I did not lay a finger on this hairline. This wig came completely done for me. All I had to do was glue it down. This is probably the best pre-pluck and bleaching job that I've received yet. Came with elastic band on the inside of the wigs, and that is there to help ensure some type of hold. So I just went in with my makeup on the lace, and then I put it on my head. Now this is where I kind of had an issue because, y'all, like I said, my head had those braids that I just had in the back, and I didn't take them out, so it was kind of bulky, but I made it work. And I was glad that this wig was curly so that I couldn't really see it. This is their loose deep wave texture in a length 28 inches. If I could be completely honest, it felt like it was a lot longer than 28 inches. I am 5'1", so it would maybe sit a little bit longer, but this wig was long. Now with the application process, I'm not even going to go too much in detail because I didn't have to put a lot of work in because, like I said, the wig came pretty much done for me. All I did was apply some glue. I think I did about 3 layers because I knew that I was going to be partying, so I was like, let me make sure my wig get on nice and tight. But aside from that, all I had to do was apply it. I didn't use my favorite lace glue, so that's why I didn't really go into detail about it, but the install was fire. Okay, I made it work. After that glue process, I'm going to apply the wig down into the glue. Now this is where it did get tricky because, like I said, that glue, it just dries weird and balls up and stuff like that. Like, I don't know if I got a bad batch or what, but it was kind of throwing me off, but I still made it work. So here I was trying to decide how I want to style my hair, and I came to the conclusion that I wanted to do a flip over. So here I tied the elastic band for 10 minutes. I took it off and then I cut the lace. This is key. So I applied the elastic band twice. First time I apply it just straight with the lace still on, and then I apply it again for another 10 minutes after I apply some type of melting spray. And again, don't worry, you may have to go in and touch up some spots where the lace didn't exactly stick, but you're still going to get that flawless install. So I had to go back in and touch up some areas and let that dry and reapply it. And then I just went in with my blow dryer just to make sure that it fully, soaked in and melted. Applied a little extra makeup just to tone that lace. Cut some extra lace off. This is what I was working with. It was real cute. And then I went back in with my elastic band for 10 more minutes. Then after those 10 minutes were off, I went ahead and took it off. And now we're getting to the styling. Like I said, I wanted to go for a flip over. I knew I was wearing a bow, so I didn't know if I wanted to wear it up or, because I wanted the bow to show. But I just came to the conclusion of doing a flip over because side parts look really good on me. So I started mapping that out, but first I went with the baby hairs because that helps kind of guide you with where you're going. I didn't want a really thick baby hair look, so I did pull a little bit less hair than I typically do. So I pulled those hairs, then I cut it with my straight razor. Then I went in and curled it with my pencil flat irons to get them a nice little curl. I went in with the Got to Be Hot Insta Hold spray. I want to start incorporating products because y'all be still asking after I show it, so I might just start showing the actual thing rather than putting what I have in the video, if that makes sense. So I use that to kind of formulate the baby hairs, and I did use a little mousse. I typically don't like mousse because I feel like it makes the lace come up, but it actually did pretty good this time. And like I said, I wanted a really light type of baby hair look with this particular look. Y'all, this hair was so nice. I just was so taken aback. Like, it was beautiful. So here I'm going in and flattening it down with my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just trying to formulate. I decided, even though the curl was beautiful, that I wanted to go in with a wand curler just to emphasize that curl a little bit more. Those will be linked in my storefront down below, but I did attach a photo too. And I completely love how the wand curls came out. I never had wand curls come out this good. They weren't frizzy, they weren't like messy, they were so beautiful. This was the first time that I ever looked at wand curls and was like, I actually like that, because it always comes out frizzy, but this hair was so bomb that it did not come out frizzy, and it just shocked me so bad. So piece by piece, I went in and curled the hair. I took relatively little sections versus big, because I knew I wanted that springy Shirley Temple type of curl. So I'm just going in, curling all that hair. I'm curling in different directions. I'm not necessarily going backwards or forwards. Again, I am doing a flip over, so that's kind of like that kind of like spontaneous type of look. It's just like flipped over, you know. It's no, I didn't really want it to be too uniform. I wanted it to look neat, but I wanted it to be like effortless at the same time, if that makes sense. And that's exactly what I got. Once I was finished with the curls, I made sure that I went in and slicked back down that hairline. And like I said, with a flip over, it's effortless. So y'all, I kept shaking my head because I wanted it to fall so perfect. The curls were so perfect. They were like candy girl curls. They were so pretty. I loved it so much. And so I'm just shaking my head, because if you've done a flip over, you know it has to lay perfectly for it to hit. So this is the hair, this is the curls. It was so pretty, and this is the finished product. Now the curls did drop a little bit, and I didn't really touch them up for the party, but it still gave like that still really pretty curl. And they did frizz up slightly, but that's only because I didn't really wrap them up or anything, and I didn't have time to recurl them before the party. So this is the hair. It came out so cute. Shout out to Wiggins once again. I have never been disappointed with them. Love the hair, love the lace. I didn't have to do too much work with this wig, and neither will you. So make sure you get in your bag and check that description box, because they are lit, like for real. So love the hair. It's real cute. This is my favorite wig. I'm gonna have to lock this up because nobody not getting this one. But that'll be all for today's video. I hope you all enjoy. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.